I'm John Champion, and providing analysis alongside me is our expert Jim Beglin. Off we go then. Here is Mandzukic. That's a throw. Another throw. Shaqiri. He's on a real charge. A chance here. Bayern Munich have scored. They've grabbed the opener.
Bayern Munich are looking strong on the break. Winning the ball in midfield is one thing, but it's their clever use of counter-attacking. That's the real highlight.
And that will put him pretty high in the goal-scoring charts. They've got the opener in the early minutes. He ran into trouble and the free kick's been given. Well, the players are flocking around and there is genuine concern on their faces. Lahm. Thiago. Müller. Rafinha. Thiago. And the return ball towards the centre. Ribery. Here is Mandzukic. Surely he's in!
Now Müller.
Now the chance! And it's taken with some style. It's a comfortable lead now, 2 goals. Well, what can you say about that goal?
Look, you can only exploit the space if the pass is good enough, and in that instance, he was instinctive and quick, and it did the damage.
it's 2-0.
Yeah, we've seen it before that 1-0 can be a fragile scoreline, but now that they have that extra cushion, 2 should be enough.
He has lunged in, wins the ball. He surges forward. Oh, yet another goal. They have a 3-goal advantage, and that should be enough. He's got 2 in this game, he's on a hat-trick. So it's 3-0 now. Müller has got hold of it. And suddenly the defence is on the back foot. Srpski will drive this corner in. Tries with his head. Oh, that was a really good position.
I think he's done very well to get into such a good position in front of goal, but he just couldn't put in the telling touch.
Jerome Boateng plays it long. Müller has gone in hard there, maybe too hard. It's a throw-in. Lahm. Now Müller. Now Mandzukic. Quickly closed down. Now Müller. Ribery. Lahm. Thiago. Lahm. Here is Mandzukic. Here's Ribery. Here's a chance to get a cross in. And the cross is cleared. Jerome Boateng. Ribery. Srpski, who has an assist to his name. Can he find a finish? Cleared away to safety. It's through to Mandzukic. He decides to shoot. The forward push gains momentum. Srpski goes with Müller, and he crosses in, tries the bicycle kick.
And that was just fractionally offside.
Thiago. Now Mandzukic. And that's been intercepted. And he plays it to the keeper. Rafinha. Thiago. Now Mandzukic. It's through. Ribery is the player to take it. He's got possession now, maybe a chance. No, that's not going anywhere. La. Now Thiago. Lunges wildly. Looking to receive the ball, break could be on. Mandzukic. Here's Ribery. Ribery now looking to see who wants it. Chance! Real chance! And a goal! This game has already ceased to be a contest. It was all down to the control.
Well, I think it takes real confidence and a natural technical ability to be able to do that. I think he made it look so easy, and it was anything but. I would have struggled with that big time.
He'll be taking the match ball home.
Oh, he's been unstoppable in this match. Every single time he's been in possession, he's looked a threat.
Surely they're well and truly out of sight. And with that, the referee brings the first half to a close. There's a wide gap between these teams now. Bayern Munich get the second half going. Jerome Boateng. Rafinha. Switches play to the other side. Mario Götze. Müller, who's just added his name to the score sheet.
I think they're building the play really nicely. If they can just find the right through ball, they could be in on goal.
And that'll be a throw. Thiago.
Now Müller.
Now a chance for a cross from the flank. And no danger there from that cross. He did well to get it. What next? A chance to counter-attack here. Break is on. Here's Robin. It's opened up nicely for him. Opportunity here. He scored! They're well clear now. It's just a question of how many more. What are your thoughts on the goal, Jim Beglin?
Right place, right time, and one outcome. I mean, with that much room, he didn't even need a controlling touch. He could just hit it first time. Too easy, way too easy.
have this game in their hands now. That wasn't the best of passes, really. On his own. He tried going it alone, but without success. Gets the ball in a nice position. Oh, he wasn't taking any chances there. Rafinha. Surely he can't miss from here. Müller. It's one-on-one. Can he now find a finish? Now a chance for a cross. And Thiago. Lahm. Now Müller. Thiago. Here's Robin. He can take the shot on here. Possibility for a shot. There it is. They really have taken them apart now. Find some words to do justice to that goal.
That's a striker's dream. Unmarked in front of the goal. It was on a plate for him and he wasn't going to miss it.
What a way to complete a hat-trick.
That defence must be sick of the sight of him. He's been persistent and ruthless all game. He just hasn't stopped working.
Lahm. Mario Götze. Moving forwards. Oh, he's lost out there. Robin. Could be a chance now. Could be a goal here. And they escape imminent danger. Rafinha. Oh, lovely feet. Cleared away from immediate danger. It's a throw. Jerome Boateng. Going forward, but what are his options? Robin has teed up this corner. We've reached the last 15 minutes of the game. He surges forward. A timely intervention. And the return ball towards the centre. Threatening through ball. Mario Götze. Looking to play on the break, and that won't be making it through. He takes him out. Thiago.
And suddenly the defence is on the back foot.
The keeper's got it. Full-time whistle within sight. Now all set for their final attack. Good opportunity for a cross here.
Substitution on the field. Number 9.
Lahm.
Coming on the field.
Bayern Munich going about it in a patient manner.
Number 23.
And the long ball reaching the other side. He's going on his own. They got a throw in. Now Thiago. Here's Lahm. Here's Robin. He wants to get a cross in from here. And a sublime header. Can he shoot? Everyone looking towards the fourth official, wondering how much additional time there is to play. 2 minutes is the answer.
There's the final whistle. Their opponents must be feeling like they were hit by a tornado. They were ripped apart time and again by the movement and passing up front.
Well, some matches you just don't want to end, and that was one of them for me. You couldn't predict what was going to happen next. It was a great game.
So, thank you, Jim, as we bid you farewell from this afternoon's broadcast.